Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Docs and start with a blank document or your existing file. Click Extensions and then Add-ons to find Gemini in the store. Select Gemini and click Install to add the integration. Sign in with your Google account and grant 3 permissions when prompted. Wait up to 30 seconds while installation completes. After installation, return to Extensions and open Gemini from the Add-ons menu to reveal the right side assistant pane. Open the Gemini sidebar and choose a mode such as Draft, Summarize, or Rewrite. Highlight the paragraph or select up to 5,000 characters for processing in a single request. Click Summarize to get a concise version or rephrase to change tone and clarity. Use Draft to create new content based on prompts you type in the box. Preview the output in the sidebar and click Insert when you want the generated text added to the document directly. Open Gemini settings in the sidebar to adjust temperature and length sliders for output control. Choose a temperature between 0, 2, and 1. 0 to favor accuracy or creativity. Select a maximum token or character limit to keep responses concise. Turn on Safe Mode to reduce hallucinations and require user approval before major edits. Pick a writing style preset such as formal, casual, or technical to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.